Sat Shri Akal, and I'm humbled to have you back on my channel. Today we are discussing 10 warning signs that your body must be lacking water. As we know that 60% of our body consists of water, so it's really essential to keep your hydration levels intact. In today's fast-paced life, we do not have time to drink water or to drink enough water for that case, but it's really important to stay hydrated always. Here are some signs that your body is lacking water. Number 1 is headaches. If you often get headaches or you tend to get heavy headaches as soon as you wake up, that means your body is demanding water. As we sleep for good 6 to 8 hours, our body becomes dehydrated. So as soon as you wake up, drink some water, or otherwise if you do have headaches, please do drink some water. That might help calm it down. Number 2 is poor concentration. Not drinking enough water can cause a lack in our concentration levels, and we might feel that we are unable to focus on things that we are reading. We might face communication issues, and that's all because you're not hydrated enough. Number 3 is dry mouth and bad breath. That is a clear indicator that your body needs water. Number 4 is constipation. If you are constipated, your body tends to lose all the water that it had retained, and that can even result in acid reflux and heartburn. Have you ever felt sudden food cravings? Well, I guess water might be the reason. And the 5th one is food cravings. So at times you might just feel like you want to eat, but instead your body might be asking for water. So next time when you have sudden food cravings, drink a glass of water and decide for like good 5 or 10 minutes before eating something, because most likely your body is just asking for water and not food. Number 6 is reduced urination. If your urination count is less than 4 to 7 times a day, then you are definitely dehydrated. Number 7 is lethargy and fatigue. Due to dehydration, the blood circulation slows down, and that causes lethargy and fatigue. Number 8 is muscle and joint pain. If you are experiencing muscle and joint pain, that probably could be because you do not drink enough water, because water is an imperative segment of solid joints and ligaments. Number 9 is training club. Being dehydrated will cause lessening of the plasma volume. This influences the blood course and expands your heart rate. Number 10 is another clear indicator, and that is dry skin and lips.